What's up, guys? I'm actually not in the Honda. It's behind me. I don't know if you can see that. We are in the Vibe. So, yep. I'm going to the bank right now to grab some money. We're in the Vibe because it is raining. I was gonna wash the Honda, but it is raining out, so yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to stop raining and then we're gonna go wash the Honda. Maybe we'll get some cool rain pictures while it's still raining. I don't know. We're gonna find something to do, something car related to do. I had to work Friday this week. Usually I get 3 days off every week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I had to work Friday this week, so we've got less time to put towards car stuff and videos, but we're gonna get it done, okay? We're gonna make a video. All right, guys. Yeah, I'll report back when I have something more to share. What's up, guys? So I think it's done raining for the day, so we got the car here. We're gonna wash it really quick and then we're gonna go out. Alright, what's up, guys? Oh, great. Hello, light. There we go. What's up, guys? Just got done washing the car. I think it looks pretty good. Can't really see it because it's dark, but we'll pull out the flashlight. Looks pretty good. But yeah, just got done washing the car. Only thing I didn't clean is the rims, because I'm lazy. Engine bay's all nice and clean, everything's clean. And now we're gonna go out. So yeah, let's go hurt some feelings with the J35. What's up, guys? We're out heading out now, so we'll see what we find to run. And then we'll see, you know, what happens.
Kelley Blue Book is the one-stop shop for pricing, fixing, selling, and instant cash out.
Turn the radio down. But yeah, we're gonna head out. We're gonna go try to find some stuff to run. It looks like there's a Mustang right behind me already, actually. And a Tesla, huh? so we can try to race this Mustang. Coyote boys. So I guess that's the sequel to the last Mustang racing video. That's Big Brother right there. All right, we'll be back if we find anything else. All right, so let's see if we can race this Infiniti maybe, huh? They don't want to race. It looks to me like they don't want to race. Oh, we're looking for something fun to do. What is that? A Nissan Sentra Nismo, huh? You're a Nismo Sentra, huh? Just a Sentra with a Nismo badge on it. This is boring footage, so I guess I'm gonna cut until we find something fun to do again. Alright, we got a Charger and a Mustang up here ahead of us, so on by another 5.0. This Charger up here, I don't know what it is, but that's another 5.0. That white Mustang back there is another 5.0. It's not even debadged, so I'm pretty sure we're not gonna. That was like a shitty run, but if we get a good run against that car, I'm pretty sure it's gonna walk away from us. So, but that car up there, I want. Okay, there's a couple cars here, but we're gonna try to get this Charger. It's an RT. That was a meh run. Alright, well, there's that. I don't know, we might be back. I think this G37 might finally want to run, guys. I don't know. Nope. They don't, and now there's a bunch of cars again. Unfortunate. Okay, I think we're gonna get to run them at this light. Turn the radio off. Okay. Telling you, this thing's a VQ killer. I'm telling you, this thing's a VQ killer and a Hemi hunter. I don't know, guys. Look, he's leaving now. He's mad. He's just heading out. He lost 2 1/4. He's leaving. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at SleeperCT2, TikTok. Hit the bell so you can see when I post more videos. This car is getting built. This car is going to be racing all kinds of stuff. So yeah, follow the channel, guys. Peace.